In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Premiere Pro playback lag. If your timeline stutters, freezes, or feels sluggish while you're editing, don't worry. There are two quick adjustments inside Premiere Pro that can make a huge difference without affecting your final export quality. First, let's reduce the playback resolution in the program monitor. Look to the bottom right corner of the program monitor where you'll see a drop-down that likely says Full. Click that and switch it to 1/2, 1/4, or even 1/8. This tells Premiere to show a lower resolution preview while you edit, dramatically lightening the load on your system. Your actual footage remains untouched, and your export will still render at full quality. Think of it like zooming out to work faster. You're just asking Premiere to display something lighter while you make cuts, add transitions, or sync audio. If you're working with 4K or higher resolution footage on a modest machine, 1/4 is a great starting point. And if the image looks a little soft, that's expected at lower settings. Just switch back to full briefly when you want to check fine details, then drop it down again to keep editing smoothly. Next, let's turn off high-quality playback. In the program monitor, click the little wrench icon to open the settings menu. In that list, you'll see high-quality playback. Make sure it's unchecked. When this option is on, Premiere prioritizes a cleaner, sharper preview, but it demands more from your CPU and GPU. Turning it off frees up resources and often eliminates stutter, especially on complex timelines with effects, color correction, or multiple layers. This setting is strictly about preview quality. It does not alter your exported video. You can always toggle it back on when you're doing a final visual pass, but keep it off during heavy editing sessions to maintain smooth scrubbing and real-time playback. Together, these two tweaks form a practical workflow. Edit at a reduced preview quality for speed, then briefly bump things up when you need to verify detail. You'll notice snappier responses when trimming, fewer dropped frames when playing back multicam or heavy sequences, and more reliable audio sync. If you find that 1/2 still lags, try 1/4 or 1/8. And remember, none of this compromises your final output. Only how Premiere previews in the moment. Apply these changes, and your timeline should feel much more responsive, letting you focus on creative decisions instead of fighting playback. Happy editing!